Hello friends, how are you? Today is another day that we're bringing you another show of answering the question that you've sent me in my DM. My name is Paris Boothia. For those who are new in this channel, my joy is to make both men and women look and feel their best using invasive and non-invasive treatment and also good skincare. Now the topic today, I know you're wondering, why do I have somebody bottom here? It's because today's topic is about skin tag. You've listened to me, you've asked me, Paris, I do have skin tag in private area. I do have skin tag in the cheeks of my buttocks. I do have skin tag in my armpit. I have skin tag in between my legs. I have skin tag, because how can you treat it? Can you take it out? Now, this is your answer. Yes. What is skin tag? Skin tag is actually a little growth that has stalk and is attached to the skin through that stalk. It doesn't hurt. It is not uncomfortable, but depending on where it is, it can be irritating. So you can remove it. It shouldn't be bothering you. Where does it happen? Like I said, anywhere there's friction, like in between the leg where there's friction, armpit where there's friction, they will happen on your neck a lot. Like I have some in my neck. In your back, I have a few in my back. For some reason, some of them, they are hereditary, or because of your genes, or because, like for me, my mother has them, so I happen to have them too on my neck and on my back. And I usually have them removed, banned. And then some new ones can come again, or they might not come again. So today though, we will be treating one that is right in the cheek, right here on the bottom cheek. It's not so big, it's a small one, but it's bothering her because it's uncomfortable when she sweat, or when she's when you sit down and it's a hot day, it can be irritating. It doesn't hurt, but it can be irritating. So you do it for cosmetic reason, literally, if it's bothering you. Some people, it is on their neck, and when they wear their chain, it's labbing, and so again it can be irritating, so you can have it removed. So today I'll be using two things. You can use electrolysis, which is this one right here. We use a little probe that we're gonna be placing, and then we burn it on top using heat, and we can also use laser to seal it and to make sure that she's not also left with any scar, although there will be something called scabbing that will be happening. And what will happen is, once her skin scab, within the next 1 week, could be 2 days, could be 3 days, could be 2 weeks, could be 3 weeks, it will fall off, and that skin will just heal naturally. What should you avoid? It's better I mention that before I do this. After you do this treatment, you avoid going in the sun for the next 48, or to expose that area for the next 48 hours, so it can heal. Avoid going to sauna. Avoid eating very spicy food. Avoid alcohol also. For the next 48 hours, use sunscreen on the area. So I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's go right on it. So my machine is already on, it's prepared. So I'm going to go right on top of it, and then I'm going to use the laser to finish the treatment. It's going to be very quick. So I hope the camera will be able to see me here. I'm going to start the treatment now. So it's a bit awkward area, so I have to just make sure. There you go. Now we started the treatment. I know you cannot see, it's a very small probe. And this one, because it's not very big hanging, so you will notice it's not gonna fall down. So I'm gonna just burn it from the root and let it fall down by itself. If it was a big one, we've had big one that fall off just the same day. So as you can see it's already burned, and I'm gonna make sure that I burn it even further with laser, and it will fall off in few days. So I'm gonna put this down, and I'm going to put my goggles. And then I'm gonna set my laser. I'm going to be very quick. This one is just so we can finish the treatment. So this one, she's going to feel it because I'm going to be filing the razor right on it. Let me just make sure we are comfortable here. And we're just treating where we need to. And here we go. You okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very okay.
Because I thought I heard you say something. There you go. Can you? Okay, the heat is too high, so I'm going to reduce. As you can see, my client here is telling me that is a bit too high, please. So I've reduced it. And we're going to fire the laser one more time, and we are done. And voila. So now after this, I'm just going to apply Sensibilities on it. It helped to, to prevent any infection. It's in a very weird place, so you can imagine, and also to hydrate that area. And if she was going outside, I would put sunscreen, but right now she's not going outside, so we're going to cover that area. And now what will happen, like I said, that scab will fall off in maybe few days. It might fall off after 1 week, and the skin there will be left looking a little bit lighter than the rest of the skin, because of course now the melanin has been, the top layer has been taken off, and so it will take about 21 days for the skin to go back to normal. So if you're there and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I have this thing that is light in between my legs, and every time when I'm walking it's rubbing, it's uncomfortable, please don't suffer in silence. Look, it's a 2-minute job and you will go home happy and it will go away. Can you one form? Yes, but the one that is treated, I guarantee you that wouldn't come back. What come back is new one. New ones will form. Yeah, so it's as simple as that. After, like I said, the treatment, you just make sure you hydrate. Hydration is key, because the hydrated skin also heal quickly and it heal easily. Before you come for your treatment, however, there's a few things that you need to know. You need to make sure that you've hydrated your skin very well. Yeah, don't use any active ingredients on the area that's gonna be treated. For example, you can use Latin A and then come do this treatment the same day. You're gonna stop using any skin lighteners a week or even 2 before you come do this treatment. Because why am I saying that? We don't only do it on the body, we do it on the face too, right? So if you have skin tag on your face and you're using skin lightener, we cannot do this treatment and still you have stopped until you stop using the skin lightener for at least 2 weeks. If you're using retinoid, please stop using your retinoid for at least a week before you come do the treatment. So everybody is candidate, so long as you are over 18 and above. I think you can come do this treatment. Below that, you're going to need a parent consent to come do it. After this, Eva was doing so many of them, and she was complaining of maybe she's still feeling heat in the skin, then I would have taken this and I would have put ice right there. So we sometimes can also ice the skin before we even do the treatment, depending with which area we are doing. We could even numb the skin a little bit if your pain tolerance is that low. So I hope I've answered your question about skin tag, and now you know that skin tag is not a disease, literally. It's just something that nobody know why. Honestly, there's no 100% answer as to why skin tag form. They just form because maybe of hereditary, because maybe of sun damage, sometimes they say. Sometimes nobody has a true answer as to why. They are still trying to do that research, I believe, why skin tag form. But you'll find a lot of people have it, and especially dark skinned people. I noticed that a lot of African descent, we tend to suffer a lot when it comes to skin tag, and especially as people get older also, for whatever reason, as people get older, you find that they had only 1 or 2 skin tag, and that's my case. I am speaking from experience. I only had maybe 1 or 2 skin tag in my back, and now they just, for whatever reason, multiplied. So don't suffer in silence. Come seek us. Now I hope you like this. I hope it's been informative. If you want to know more about skin tag, we're going to be writing down here. You can read and understand what is skin tag on the bottom of this video, and you can give us a call, book appointment, can come and have your skin tag removed. If you haven't already subscribed in this channel, this is a high time that you can subscribe and support us. And you can visit us at Timeless Medical Spa. We're in Lavington. All those details will be in the bottom of this video. Remember, your health is your wealth. You're nothing without your health. Till next time, bye.